So in the previous movie, we saw how to send a draft page for review to anyone with an email address and a web browser. In this movie, we'll take a look at how to send a page for review to other Contribute users who may work on the site with you. So I just click Send for Review again up here in the toolbar. And this time I'm going to choose Send the Draft to another Contribute user. And down here I can see a list of all the users who've made connections to this site. In this case, the specific names I see are myself, Garrick, and I'm set up as a publisher, and Philip Fry, who is set up as an administrator. You also have the option to send a draft to all users who are administrators and all users who are publishers. But in this case, let's just say I want to send this draft to Phil. Now down here I can add a description of the changes that I made to the page, which is a good idea if you've only made minor cosmetic changes that might not be immediately noticeable. So I might type something like, added a Google search field. Although I doubt you would miss that Google search field that's taken up pretty much all the bottom of the page there. Now I can still send the reviewer an email if I want to by checking this box, which you might want to do if you're not sure if the reviewer will have his or her copy of Contribute open anytime soon. But I'll leave that unchecked. Then all I have to do is click Send. And the next time Phil opens his copy of Contribute, he'll see that there's a new draft page waiting for him to review. So Contribute is posting a draft of this page to my website, tells me it's successfully done so. I'll click on OK. And then Contribute shows me the actual page that the reviewer will see. If you want to undo the send, you can just click Undo Send up here. You can take back this draft. For example, if you realize you made a mistake that you want to change before the reviewer sees it, you can click Undo Send, make your changes to your draft, and then send it up for review again. In a couple of movies from now, we'll talk about the draft console, which allows you to keep track of all the drafts you may have sent or received or are currently working on. But first, in the next movie, we'll see what it looks like when you're on the receiving end of a draft that someone needs you to review.